Okay, Google, turn off the kitchen light.
It looks like you haven't connected any lights yet. Just open the Google Home app and go to Home Control to add lights.
Okay, Google, turn off the Christmas tree lights.
Sure, turning 7 lights off.
Okay, Google, turn on the Christmas lights.
Sure, turning 2 lights on.
Okay, Google, turn on the kitchen lights.
Sure, turning the kitchen lights on.
Okay, Google, turn off the kitchen lights.
Sure, turning the kitchen lights off.
Yeah, so who knows why sometimes it doesn't think I have any lights.